Hey friends, this is RC back again, and today I'm going to take you to Lido Resorts. From Bogor, it takes 30 minutes to reach Lido. We have reached at the Lido Lake Resort. This is the well decorated lobby of the hotel. There are comfortable seating arrangements. You can find a cozy corner, sit and relax. This is the poolside view. You can go after check-in and have a swim if you want. Otherwise, there are so many other areas around in the hotel. There is a lakeside. You can even go there and have fun. Let's go towards the lake and have a look. This is the lake. You can hire a bamboo boat which will take you around the lake, and in the morning it's so fresh and cool here. Now we will go to the breakfast lounge and going to have breakfast there. It's a mix of continental and Indonesian breakfast buffet. Let's have a round first. I could see the variety of juices, milk cornflakes, breads, etc. This is the counter for mee rebus. You can select your noodle packet and they're going to make it on the spot for you. This is congee. This is rice porridge with many condiments. You can take the porridge and add the condiments on the top. This is the waffle counter. You can add your favorite topping on the top of the waffle. This is keten hitam, brown rice with jaggery. It's a sweet dish. This is the egg counter. You can request for the kind of egg you want to eat. This is the Indonesian cuisines like mee goreng, nasi goreng, fried potatoes. This is chapche, sayur tomis. This is bakwan sayur. Ketchup ayam, which is the chicken. This is lontong. It's a steamed rice cake which is served with some boiled vegetables and peanut sauce. There are some pickles and some rice crackers which can be enjoyed. This is the kids club. Children can have fun on the swings. I can see a very long red colored bridge to go across the lake, and let's go towards that side and we are going to see the bridge. It's a rocking bridge made up of metal, and I think it's almost 1 kilometer long. From the bridge you can have the wonderful view of the lake. And this bridge, I read in the precautions that at a time they allow only 20 people to cross this bridge. Today not much rush and I could see only few people. Earlier this swinging bridge was not here, but now it's recently built. wonderful to walk on this bridge, and it's swinging nicely. It's too good. I'm really enjoying. You can see the bridge behind me. If you are scared of height or swings, then better avoid it. This side you will have flying fox. You can play. Some safety rules are given here, so one should follow those safety rules to be safe and sound. It's a real fun place. There are 17 hurdles with different heights, and one should take precautions to try all these activities. You can try the hurdles, and only thing you need is a strong grip to hold the ropes, and the difficulty level is from 5 meters to 15 meters high. Even I want to try some simple ones where the instructor or safety gear is not needed, because I don't want to be close to anyone during this corona time, so I want to avoid, but I'm sure I'm going to try the simple ones. So let's see. Also make sure after trying all these hurdles, climbing all these things, must wash your hands with soap and water and use a sanitizer. First one I am going to try is the net climbing. Not very difficult, but better to wear shoes to climb this. It looks easy but very steep, and there are big holes in the net, but with a good grip you can do it. And now from here it's a straight climbing, a little difficult, but I am enjoying it. After climbing this, you can relax here and enjoy. Next hurdle is rope climbing, but to reach till the rope you can climb the stairs, and then with the help of holding a rope you can just go further on the rope. It looks difficult, but I want to try it also. You can walk on the hanging ropes, but for support you can hold the rope above your head. Hold it tightly.
Be careful.
Hey. Now this is the third one. To go up, you need to climb a hanging stair and go up on the top to cross the hurdles. I am doing the first level, which is 5 meters high, and it goes up to 7 meters, and you just need to hold it tightly and keep crossing the planks carefully. I have decided to do it carefully without the safety gear, but if you want to cross the higher levels, then safety gear is a must. Now this is the fourth one. To walk on the sleeping trunk, you need to hold the rope above and walk on the tree trunk. The trunk is a bit slippery and crooked due to rainy weather. So
Hold it
just have a
firmly.
firm grip and balance to walk on
Yes,
it.
you can.
According to my height, the rope should be little higher. Now, this is the fifth hurdle. You have to walk on two ropes and with the help of holding the rope above you. So, this also looks very difficult, and the ropes where you have to walk are quite shaky. It is real fun, and these are my kind of activities. If you are daring and fun loving, then must try all these. Just look behind me and see how many hurdles I crossed. I am not going any further because the difficulty level is increasing and I have to go back also to get down. So I'm going back on the same tree trunk. I have to walk back again. Same grip and balance required to walk back also. Be careful.
Hey, you did it.
Hey,
So how was it? How was your experience?
wonderful. One should try.
Well done.
Archery?
Hah.
Archery 50.000 Pak.
Oh, very good.
50.000 berapa kali?
Itu ada 10 arrow.
So, yeah.
Archery is also there, and we asked the instructor, and according to him, it's 50,000 for 10 arrows. This is the cycle ropeway. It also looks very interesting, and you just need to sit on the cycle and keep paddling. And for the safety, it is attached from above with a hook. There is one rod behind the cycle which is attached, and below also you can see that the wheel has a different shape and it's going to move on the wire below. So you just need to balance it well, and with the help of safety gear it's safe. It's not functional today, otherwise I would have tried it. The length of the bicycle ropeway is also 1 kilometer, like the bridge, and this is the end point of the ropeway. This is the end of the bridge, and we have done so many activities. The price for bicycle ropeway is 150,000 rupiah, which is equivalent to 15 Sing dollars, and it includes the safety gear also. And the hurdles, there are 17 hurdles for the, you can hang around and cross the hurdles. That is also 150,000 rupiah per person, which is equivalent to 15 Sing dollars, and it includes safety gear and one instructor also. But if you don't want the safety gear and instructor, you can just try the simple ones on your own. After crossing the bridge, we also met a cutie cat. This is the activity list here along with the prices. You can do archery, can play paintball, flying fox, and you can even rent a bicycle for an hour or two. In the area around Lido, they have very wide roads, very neat and clean with good surroundings, and they have planned to bring many hotels and water parks in years to come. Beauty of Indonesia is its lush green mountains and forests, and they are very welcoming.